Hello everyone, this is Alex, and in this review we are going to talk about a layered navigation extension provided by Mageworx. So actually what it can give to us. The main purpose of this extension is to make customer experience more friendly. So what problem it resolves? Let me go to the website and let me select something, for example tabs, jackets, okay? And we have layered or facet navigation on the left column. And for example, if I would like to select multiple criteria, for example several colors, I could not do it. I could select just one color, single color, and that's all. And it's a little bit frustrating. As long as you are solid to the business, you want your customer to have best experience, so they use multiple criteria. This extension from from Mageworx, which is called layered navigation, will solve this issue. So in scope of this review, we're gonna install this extension and we are gonna see how it works. So let's do it. First of all, I'm gonna refer to the user guide, and according to the user guide we have two options for installation. It's via composer and by copying the code. I'm gonna select the second one, so I will open it in new window, and practically what we need to do here is we need to upload the files, and right after we uploaded the files we need to execute several commands. So let's do it. I'm gonna open my WinSCP application, which I use for file upload. Let's log in now to the server with server credentials. And username and password. Okay, and here I will need to upload the files of the extension. I have stored them here, layered navigation, and here are the files. So we have app folder which we will need to copy to the root directory with Magento files. So I'm gonna do it, F5, and let's wait a little bit. Okay, we are done. So the next thing that we need to do is to follow the installation guide, and according to the guide we need to execute the following command. So php bin Magento module enable Mageworx and model name, in our case layered navigation. So I'm gonna launch PuTTY application, which I normally use for SSH connection. Once again I will need server credentials. And I will need to go to the root directory with Magento files. In my case, applications, username, public HTML, and here are the list of Magento files. So here I can execute the command. Let's copy it. Let's paste it here. And let's replace actually model name to layered navigation. Okay, let's double check. Layered navigation, no spaces, and started with caps. Okay, a model is enabled, and now we need to launch several commands to get this actually installed. Let's do one by one. Okay, let's launch the second one. Okay, and the final one. Okay, so we have installed this extension. What I'm expecting to do, actually what I'm expecting to see now, we expect to see this extension installed. So let's check it. I will need to log into my Magento dashboard as admin user. Let's do this. Here's the admin URL. It loads a little bit slowly because it's first time load. Okay, so here let's go to stores. Still loading. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, stores, configuration, and expect to see here Mageworx tab. Yes, it's here, and we have Layered Navigation Pro, which we recently actually installed. So if we return back to the user guide, you could see that there are multiple options. I suggest you to go through them by yourself to read them, but the main option which actually resolve the main problem is all about allow multi-select and multi-select state by default. So we're gonna set these two options to yes, and we'll see how it works. So I'm gonna select here yes, and I'm gonna apply this behave to the all attributes. Okay, now I'm gonna click save config. Now I'm going to clean the cache. Okay, select all, refresh. Okay, let's return to the website. Let's refresh it also. And now let's go to men, tabs, jackets. And let's try to do the same with color, for example. So I'm gonna select gray, and I still could select blue, and I could select red, and so on for every attribute of Magento. So it's actually a significantly increase user experience, and as long as you would like to be solid with your business, you would like to provide your customers with best possible experience, I suggest you to consider this extension. It's really useful, and as you've seen, it's easy in installation. Also, if for whatever reason you dislike it, you could ask for a refund, and Mageworx do it without any problem during 30 days. So this was a quick extension, actually a quick review of extension. I really like it, and I can recommend it. Thank you, subscribe to my blog, and see you on the next reviews and lessons.